The Hanover police are this evening responding to an increased threat level against them as they ramp up operations to deal with a spike in murders since the start of the year. An online video recorded in the parish recently where persons threatened retaliation for a recent police operation is just one of the latest factors of concern. TVJ News received a copy of the video and spoke with the Hanover police, who say it was done by members of the 100 Rounds gang. TVJ's Herman Green reports.
Police half dead, now somebody police half dead back. Okay, now somebody talk about bounty. And a police kill with friend them.
It's this threat and others like it against the Hanover police that has led the JCF to raise the threat level against its members in the parish to high. TVJ News got a copy of the video online, and from all indications, it was recorded last week when two men were killed by the police in Green Island, Hanover, in an alleged shootout. Residents have refuted the police's claim, insisting there was no shootout, and now persons who say they have weapons are planning to retaliate.
Right now, it's like we don't have no life to live. If we just take it to them, because they ain't got liquor to fill in. Government shot them on fire and buy, we buy. Kill we two friends them last night and feel it go. So we have to take 1/2 dozen of them police by a week. If done, 1/2 dozen of them.
But according to head of the Hanover Police Division, Deputy Superintendent of Police Sharon Beeput, this is just the latest threat since the cops stepped up their fight against 4 gangs wreaking havoc in the parish.
Presently, we have one of the leader in custody. Yes, sir, James. He's presently in custody for charge for multiple murders, and some others who have met their demise. And as a result of that, the police has been under threat relating to these incidents.
Since last week, the police have increased patrols in some communities with the assistance of Jamaica Defence Force soldiers. In light of the increased threat level, a word of caution for her officers.
Well, we just have to encourage the officers who are working in these areas to continue to do their best and wear their protective gears and think about officer safety at all times. Risk assessment have to be taken into consideration when they are going into these communities.
Herman Green, TVJ News.